It looks great.
I love it.
It looks interesting. But good. I like it.
Finished?
Yep. Thanks. I really like this colour.
Me too. The room looks great. Here she is.
Hello? Hi, Helen. We're up here.
Can I go in?
Yep.
Welcome to your new bedroom.
Oh, Matt, your t-shirt.
What?
The colour. It's horrible. Next time, Helen, don't ask for help. Do it yourself.